Spokane is a cleaner GEO market than it looks. There are not many serious options here, but that also means the good ones stand out fast. If you want the best generative engine optimization agency in Spokane, you probably need 3 calls, not 8. This is how to rank in AI. I'm Lawrence Dauchy, certified SEO and GEO expert. Why this city matters. Spokane sits in that middle zone where GEO is real, but the market is not crowded yet. You've got local services, healthcare, home services, professional firms, regional e-commerce, and businesses that still depend on Google, while AI search starts taking buyer attention upstream. I looked at a Spokane shortlist and ranked 5 agencies. I excluded firms that look too generic, too templated, or too vague about what they actually do for ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, Claude, or Google AI overviews. One disclosure up front. NavK is the show's sponsoring agency. It still takes the top slot because its public geo offer is the clearest of the group I reviewed, especially for Shopify and custom e-commerce brands. Number 1, NivK gets the top spot because it has the most explicit geo positioning in this shortlist. The site says it helps Shopify and custom e-commerce brands win visibility in AI search and classic search, and it names ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google AI overviews directly. What they do is more concrete than most agencies in this category. NIVC publicly lists GEO strategy kickoff, entity mapping, structured data, and priority page improvements, visibility tracking, and plan tiers built around rollout depth and reporting rhythm. Pricing is public. Launch at €650 a month, scale at €950 a month, dominate at €1,450 a month, plus a custom enterprise tier. If you run a Spokane e-commerce brand, especially on Shopify, this is the first call I would make. If you are a lead gen business, it may be too specialized. Number 2, 20 miles north. The local agency I like most in Spokane is 20 miles north. It ranks high because it has a real Spokane presence and publicly names AI search optimization for Spokane businesses using the GEO label directly. Their site says they build custom WordPress websites, handle SEO, local SEO, Google Ads, and AI platform optimization. Their pricing and contact pages explicitly list AI search optimization, also labeled AIO and GEO, as a service category. If you are a Spokane service business that needs website work, local SEO, and AI search optimization under one roof, this is a strong fit. The trade-off is that the public pages are lighter on hard methodology details and pricing than I'd like. Number 3, Acute SEO. Acute SEO is not Spokane native, but its Spokane service page is one of the more concrete AI search pages I found. The company says it does Spokane answer engine optimization, uses an AI-powered site audit tool, and works with Gemini, ChatGPT, Copilot, Claude, and Grok. This is a good option if you are a Spokane law firm, home services company, or lead gen business that wants an agency already speaking the language of answer engines, but still grounded in SEO. Number 4, propaganda. Creative propaganda. Creative is not a pure GEO shop, but it made the list because it is a real Spokane agency with public GEO education, public AI search language, and a newer AI business growth suite. The strongest signal here is that the agency has publicly explained GEO in plain language, including how it differs from SEO, and says GEO focuses on visibility inside AI responses, natural questions, clarity, brand mentions, and AI citations. Number 5, Listing Studios. Listing Studios is Seattle-based, not Spokane-based, but it openly pitches Spokane businesses on SEO and AI visibility together. The agency says it helps Spokane businesses get discovered in Google, ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity, with a model built across SEO, AI search, local visibility, and voice. Top pick, NIVC. If you run a Shopify or custom e-commerce brand, and want the clearest current GEO offer on the list. Budget pick, acute SEO, because it is one of the more concrete AI search operators here and fits the lead gen side of the Spokane market well. Niche pick, propaganda creative, if your problem is part search visibility, part brand clarity, and you want a Spokane agency already thinking publicly about GEO and AI citations. Who to skip? Agencies that make broad guarantee claims about rankings or AI visibility. If I had to narrow this to 3 calls, here is the list. NIFT for e-commerce, 20 miles north for Spokane-based local and regional businesses, and acute SEO for lead gen companies that want an AI-aware search operator. If this episode saved you a month of bad discovery calls, follow the show. I'm Lawrence Dauchy, and this is How to Rank in AI.